Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother. I put that on my partner, I put that on my family. London town, I represent, address me as your majesty.
Or patita. Terus kita masih ano kaya untuk audio.
Sorry.
Po, yan. Refundable naman po yun. Bali 1.5 tapos
East West.
we are here at Hillscape, Batangas. Still waiting for our count to be ready. Yung chair, assemble pa namin yan. And the jacuzzi, the view. Sobrang ganda dito. Mas maganda dito kung medyo maaraw, pero carry lang. Medyo naambon, pero magpipicture taking lang kami and then papasok na kami dun sa loob. Pwede ba dyan? Oil, pawis. Ito lang yung fish cake.
Spot ang lahap. Spot.
May, anong yes po? Ba't tinidor?
Wala pong chopstick po.
Kutsara? Nasa yung kutsara ako?
Ito po.
Hindi mo na ako love.
Love po ka. Pagbakasyon din kami nilablab.
Much awaited bakasyon. Wala si MJ, hindi ko siya makakasama dito kasi ang lamig ng water.
One we're busy today. Oh, fun playground that they're doing. Why? It's just like
Alright guys, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog for today because I'm really tired. Sobrang sakit ang ulo ko. Naligo na nga ako, si MJ na lahat nag-asikaso, and I'm very thankful kay MJ. Sobrang thankful ko talaga kay MJ. Yun lang. See you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Gucci, Fendi, Prada. Other bitches wear that shit, so I don't even bother.